Hello friends, welcome back to CIVILDEPTH-BD. Today I will show you how we can select all the objects under same layer by just one click in AutoCAD. In this drawing here you can see if I select any column, all the columns are being selected at a time. And here all the columns are under the layer SB column. Now if I select any beam here, similarly, all the beams are being selected, and here you can see the layer of all the beam is SB beam. So, if I select only one beam from this drawing and select only one column, all the columns and all the beams are being selected. Now I can copy them very easily, which is very much important for us before any structural analysis of a structure, right? So, let's check it out how we can do this. At first I will explode this drawing. Now we can't select them at a time, right? Because I exploded the drawing. Now how we can do this again? At first I will select a column. Then I will right click of mouse. Then go to select similar. Now here you can see all the columns are being selected. Fine. Then we can also select the hatch. Now we have to press B, enter, give it a name. Suppose I need OK. Again it is done. That means if I select any column, all the columns are being selected at a time. Do this for beam. Any line of the beam select. Then right click of mouse, select similar, then B, enter. Again name it as you want, click on OK. So very easy procedure. So by this way we can prepare a precise drawing in AutoCAD. That's all for today. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.